These budget IEMs have a pretty surprising feature. You see these tiny switches on the back? They allow you to change the frequency response of this earphone, essentially tuning it on a hardware level as per your preference. These are the KZ Castor Harman Target, the bass improved version. Now when I first heard KZ, I was a little skeptical because I've had bad experience with some KZ products, but these pleasantly surprised me. When I first tried them on, I noticed that this earphone actually goes deeper into your ear canal. It's a bit more than I would like, meaning that it may stand out from your ears a bit more than expected. So you have to gently push them in a little bit, which may not be comfortable for everyone. Compared to my Blonde BL03's design, which is pretty flat and comfortable, these actually go in quite a bit, so keep that in mind. But they're not uncomfortable once you get used to them. Initially I played some music with all these switches in low position and it was okay, nothing impressive. I flicked all those switches to the max and it just increased the level by maybe 2 stages. Again, nothing quite impressive, it just made things a little bit louder and a little bit more clear. It's good, but nothing extraordinary. But when you go to this mode where you only increase the mids and highs by level 2, that's where these things shine. They had way more stereo separation and much better mid-range compared to the other IEMs I've tried. As you can tell, I was happy with how this sounds. The traditional KZ sharpness is completely gone. The sound is smooth and it's very uniform. Nothing really pokes at your ears, it's a very flat, pleasing listening experience. Not something I expected from KZ given what I've seen in the past. Now even though I haven't tried the regular version, I don't see the bass boosted feature here. Now personally, I don't always enjoy thumping bass, so I was fine with the saturation I got here, but it's nothing extraordinary. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly IEM with a nice balanced sound, with some customization available to you on a hardware level, I don't think there are any other options right now that can come close to the KZ Castor. I mean, that's about it. What else is there to say? They sound great, they are fairly comfortable, and they're pretty unique in terms of features for this price. You can't beat the price, man. If you want me to compare these to anything else, let me know and check out the link in the description for the latest pricing.